we will showcase some of our technologies in this driving simulator.
Thank you.
And we'll start with multi-seat, which means that every seat has a microphone, so that every person in the car can talk to the voice assistant and control the car's features with voice. So we'll show you some use cases so you can see how the system reacts and behaves, and then we'll speak a little bit about it after. So let's get started. Okay, Cerence, close all the windows.
Okay.
Open my window.
Okay.
Mine too.
Okay.
Close my window.
Okay.
There's a-
Okay.
There's two voice respond.
Yeah, because we added it in this demo that you have a specific audio output per seat also.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So yeah, what you just saw, that if I say my window, the car knows where I'm sitting and opens the window that's closest to me.
May I try?
Yeah.
Hi.
You can push it or
Close my window.
Okay.
Yeah,
it's already closed, but it got it.
So each seat have their voice control
Yes.
for the
Exactly.
function of the.
Exactly. Each seat has an audio setup for the input and output in this case, and you can control your car functionality or do a phone call as you want per seat and specific.
Yeah. So if Christina is saying something like turn on my seat heating, and I think yeah, that's a great idea, I want it too. I don't have to repeat the whole command. I can just say mine too, or do the same for me. And the system is so intelligent that it knows what I'm referring to, and then performs that action for me. And
That means she can understand what you
the
are going.
system understands if
Yeah.
Christina did something and I say do the same for me, it knows what it should do for me, because it knows what Christina did, and then if I refer to that by saying yeah, for me too, then it performs the same action for me.
If I say I'm a little cold,
I'm cold.
How about wearing a jacket?
Now we decided to do it a bit more funny, but of course in your environment you can set up the temperature or
that's
turn on
what I'm supposed.
Yeah, exactly. But that is a bit to take a bit more funnier. The demo we added, but you notice we have added recognize it correctly.
Speak at the same time, and the system is still capable of understanding both of our voices and performing whatever we want it to do.
Okay, what we have here is also our VB technology. That means voice biometry technology. The system knows where we are, but also who is speaking as soon as we have registered the voice print of the new user. For example, I can say, "Hey Cerence, can you read my message, please?"
Sure, Christina. There are 3 new messages from Sandra, Bob, and John waiting for you.
Do I have unread messages?
I can't access your messages since you're unregistered.
So unknown user will not be allowed to do some action, and to prove the concept I will change now my seat and ask it again. Hey Cerence, can you read my message please?
Sure, Christina. There are 3.
She know your voice.
Can you read my messages?
I can't access your messages since
Exactly. Thanks to this voice biometry technology, we can identify who is speaking, and it's based on the unique characteristic of my voice. That means even if I have a cold, we are still able to detect you, and it doesn't matter if you speak in another language. It's language independent and also content independent. What we have here on the screen is also our emotion detection technology. We have different emoji, one per seat. Thanks to this technology, we can detect from the audio, that means from the tone of my voice, if I'm neutral, positive, or negative. Now I'm positive for the system. I will try to be much more neutral, calm down, and speak in a normal way. And again, positive, because I'm really happy to be here. Hey, Cerence, you see how it changes based on my voice and pitch.
Yeah.
Of course, also this was one use case based only on the voice detection, but we can add text detection, that means analyze the content, or also add an input value like a camera visualization to see if also from the facial analysis the motion match, and to make a much stronger and robust system. The scope to add emotion detection is also to create a personalized experience, a stronger relationship between assistant and user, because if someone is also understanding your feeling, you will feel maybe much more better. Or based on the emotion detected, we can change the dialogues, make an empathic assistant, emotional dialogues there, make some answers shorter if we notice you are already stressed, or some answer much more longer. If we notice you are positive, maybe you are open for a conversation.
Can we try that? How it can feedback?
In this demo, I can try it for some use cases that we have set it up for in-car functionality. Hey Cerence, open my window, please.
Enjoy the fresh air.
You see now the answer was longer. Now I'm neutral. Open.
Understood. Great. What kind of gift are you looking for?
I don't know exactly, but she likes to travel.
How about a travel-themed gift? Some ideas could be a scratch-off world map, a travel journal, a travel pillow, or a portable charger for her electronic devices.
So the system can answer your question.
Exactly. So I can ask questions about things the system doesn't know, because it doesn't know my sister. And instead of saying, I can't help you with that, I don't know, it asks me more questions to get the information it needs. And we have a little conversation, and then we get to a point where the system can provide me really helpful answers. And I can also then transfer that to another domain. So I could also follow up with questions like, okay, where can I buy this? And can you start a navigation for me? So it really supports the user on this whole journey of getting the idea, knowing where to go, and actually being there and buying the gift. So it's a really nice user experience.
Just by voice.
All just by voice. Yeah.
Okay.